Hi, I'm Jer. Welcome to Kill-Divill, where we focus on rum and cocktails. Today we are going to make apricot syrup. Like a lot of syrup recipes, this one is really about proportions. The amount of fruit versus the amount of sugar versus the amount of water. In this case, we're shooting for a ratio of 3 to 1 to 1, for a total of 5, if you need to do the math. So, 3 fruit, 1 water, and 1 sugar. I have 3 cups of pitted and quartered, sometimes halved, apricots. Those will go in my saucepan. 1 cup of water. And 1 cup of sugar. Now we'll take this to the stovetop. Here at the stovetop, we're going to heat the mixture on a medium-low heat and stir continuously until the sugar dissolves. Be back with you in just a moment. Sugar dissolved, I'm going to bring the mixture up to a soft boil. See in just a moment. Now that I have some bubbles coming up, I'm going to let this simmer on low for 30 minutes, stirring sporadically. Be back with you in a bit. 30 minutes later, and the apricots have mostly dissolved. I'm going to remove them from the heat and allow it to cool to room temperature. See you in a moment. Now that the mixture is cool, there's only one thing left to do, and that's bottle, strain, label, and refrigerate. Maybe strain before you bottle. So I'm going to label first. Masking tape. And note I am out of my fancy square bottles, so I'm using a mason jar instead. Apricot, 1 to 1, June 24th. And I'll strain this off camera.